Hey YouTube, Christopher here with another video, and in this video we'll be reviewing and looking over a new saddleback leather item. I know that in my channel I have a lot of videos reviewing a lot of the items, and like I said in my last video that I uploaded, I had one more item coming in, and that would be this guy. Saddleback leather thin front pocket backpack. This completes my set that I would like to own. This was the final thing. It's an amazing backpack. I've had it for 2 days. A lot of scratches starting to come in. You can tell how you open it, and the buckle here is starting to loosen and everything. But overall, it's an awesome backpack. A lot better in person than it looks. Hand sanitizer. But we'll just go through it, and I will kind of show you what all can fit in it. Again, it's a thin backpack, so it's very minimal. Can't fit a whole lot in there. And if you see in my channel, I have reviewed my last backpack that I had and what was in it. So let's start. So in the side pocket here, it's really nice. It buckles, so nothing can really rip. There, I just have a notebook, and the pocket goes in pretty deep. Well, basically the size of this guy, so it's okay. And what's really cool is behind these pockets, since this pocket here is sewed on, there's a pocket behind there. So I'll show you right here. So if I wanted to, I could stick this back there and have that stored there instead of inside. Still trying to break in the leather. It's a little tight. Okay. So same here. It's a pocket. So this front pocket here, pull it up, pull it up. Buckles come off. And here, just have my wallet. Some energy for those hot days that you feel hydrated. Contacts, charger, more contacts, eye drops, nail clipper, and a random battery. And that's it. So yeah, the pocket, not too big, but it's big enough. And on this side here, it's the second pocket. Pull it up, open it. Some migraine medicine, some pens and pencils, allergy medicine, and that is it. And then right here, I carry a vital notebook. You can just log in information. Okay. That's basically everything in these pockets. Don't have too much. And on each side, there's a pocket. Slide stuff in. On the outside, hand sanitizer. Throw this out. Okay. Now the straps. This piece here can come off. When you do, this is basically what you would be using instead of this. What's really nice about this color, this is the dark chocolate brown. I like the patina color, or the pull up, I should say. Look at that, it's nice. So, waiting for this to break in, do its thing. Just give it time. I only had it for a few days. And back here, right here, some padding, buckles, very sturdy. Love it. All right. Oh, yeah. And so it buckles. Here you can change the sizing of the straps. So if they're too big, you can make it tighter, and so forth and so on. So now let's go into the main part of the bag. All right. So along with this buckle, you have this, which is really cool, which keeps everything kind of snug in together. And this flap is large enough so that it covers this section here. So if you are walking in the rain for any reason, water doesn't get in. All right. Just throw that over and clip this. And it's a good size. Can fit quite a few items in here. See if I can lift it up and show you guys. Oh, hello. Alright, well, I'll just take everything out and then show you. So, let's start with my phone or iPad stand. This thing is really cool. I've had this for a couple months and it's been awesome. So what else I have in here? Let's see. I have my planner. It's important. I have my iPad, Saddleback leather case. I review this as well. It's actually my most viewed video on my channel, which is really awesome. Along with that, I have my organizing pouch. Then my power bank charger. The final item is my MacBook and the MacBook Air 13-inch sleeve. So this is basically the type of use and look it will have over the time you use it. I've had this for a couple of months as well. Amazing how it's changed to like a chocolate brown color, which is beautiful. And that is it. That's all I have in the bag. Um, so, a couple of these little things that they give you. That's their slogan. They'll fight over it when you're dead, which is nice. So again, show you, if I can, show you. Take this off. Make it a little easier to show you, Alright, so this is the inside. Not too big, but big enough. Just a hole. Just throw stuff in. Okay. Then side pockets. yeah. So overall, this is an awesome backpack. I'm looking forward to seeing it age and mature, color, change colors, make it my style, like I have done with this. Well, that is the review of my experience with this backpack at this point, and what I have inside and what can fit. I'll do a review in a month, just to show an update on the wear and the look, and by then I should have more of a review of what I really feel about the backpack. Alright, well thanks guys for watching, and hope you continue to enjoy the rest of your day. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and comment below as well if you buy this type of product and from this company, and if you have any of these items and what your experience has been with them, and what I should purchase next and review. Alright, well, thanks again. Have a good day.